Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share my top 10 study techniques that can help you perform better and feel more prepared for your exam and other academic activities. Whether you are struggling to keep up with your coursework or just looking for new ways to improve your learning, these techniques are sure to make difference. So grab a pen and paper to take notes as we go through each technique. First up, we have active recall. This technique involves actively trying to remember information by practicing recalling it from memory. It is a great way to reinforce learning and improve retention. I use this when I'm recalling a formula or definition from a memory instead of looking it up. Next, we have spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing information at regular intervals, which has been shown to improve long-term retention. For instance, after coming home from school, I review my notes to check what I learned and then I try to recall it again at regular intervals. When I'm at home, this process goes on to improve my long-term retention. Another helpful technique is chunking. This technique involves breaking down complex information into smaller, more manageable pieces to aid in memorization and understanding. For example, when I'm memorizing definition or concepts, I break them down into smaller chunks to make them easier to memorize. Mind mapping is another great technique for visual learning, as it involves creating a diagram or flowchart to help organize and connect information. I use this technique when I'm studying history subject as it helps me to connect the information in a way that I can easily understand. The Cornell note-taking system is a structured method for taking notes that encourage summarizing and synthesizing information, making it easier to review and retain later. I recently learned about this technique and I have found that it is effective when I'm taking notes. Number 6 is learning by listening. This technique involves recording your voice or AI voice while reading your notes or reviewers and listening to it while doing something else such as eating, cleaning, or working out. Is a useful technique especially when you don't have time to study for an exam. Another study technique is mnemonics, such as acronyms or song. It is a fun and effective way to remember information. I use mnemonics when there's a word that is long or hard to pronounce. For example, when I'm memorizing counters of the word and the elements for unique flavor. And I found it really working because I actually remember and memorize them before I'm Teaching others is another great way to reinforce understanding and identify gaps in knowledge. This technique is not only for friends or family members. You can also try it with your pets, plants, or even things in your house. I always try to teach my pet or sometimes my classmate when I learn something new. And I have found that it is very beneficial in remembering the information and understanding it much better. Eliminating distractions such as turning off electronics and finding a quiet study space, which can help create a more conducive environment for learning. I don't have to explain it anymore because you already know what are the benefits when you eliminate distraction when you are studying. And finally, taking care of your mental and physical health through self-care practices, which can improve focus and retention. I usually take breaks when I feel very tired and if there are many things come to my mind, and I can say that it's actually beneficial to me because it improved the way I study when I have enough class. So there you have it, my top 10 study techniques that I personally use and recommend. Remember that everyone learns differently, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more study tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.